Hello YouTube, I am Sambhav. This is the new Galaxy Watch 4 and it's a hero time. All have been waiting for. I know it's quite a while. एक साल हो चुका है लेकिन अभी ये मिल रहा है पूरे 8,000 रुपये में. लाइक दिस इज सीरियसली ए बिग डील. और अगर आपके पास कोई पुराना फ़ोन है जो आप बेचना चाहते हो तो ये आपको और भी सस्ते में मिल जाएगा. लाइक जैसे मुझे मिला अराउंड 4,000 रुपीज़ के अंदर. एंड इसमें आपको बहुत सारा लाइक ये एक रियल स्मार्ट वॉच है. नॉट लाइक द नॉइज बोट जो कि है स्मार्ट बैंड को मतलब एक बड़ा सा स्क्रीन देके उसको दिखा दे कि भाई दिस इज ए स्मार्ट वॉच. नो, दिस इज ए स्मार्ट करते हैं तो आपका क्विक टूगल्स आ जाता है यहाँ पे. क्विक टूगल्स यहाँ पे स्वाइप करते थे आप देखते हैं ये क्या है भाई, ये सब क्या है. yes, these are all the apps that comes with the like Galaxy Watch. You have Google Assistant here, YouTube Music, Spotify. You can play games here. You can read mails. You have calculator. You have gallery. You have camera, and also you have the Play Store. So this is the giga chat of watches. And for 8,000 rupees, I know it's a lot for a watch, but still, this this was like launched at 26,000 rupees and now it's available at only 8,000, and that's it's a steal of a deal in my case. At the back you get like the design for the heart rate sensor, which actually works, not like the fake ones that gives you know uh, the reading that you cannot trust on. But yeah, this got an actual sensor, so yeah, it's have good. You can see the green light blinking here. Yeah, yeah, it's because features like uh, calendar, weather, and sleep tracking, body measurement. Like this is a very nifty little feature which will like tell you what is your composition of the body is. And yeah, I've already scanned mine. You have very workout routines and all. So the build quality is pretty good actually. So the strap quality is good, it feels nice and it's like not bulging out or anything. The metal frame is quite luxurious, I will say. The watch faces are good and the display is awesome. Like it's too bright. It's quite and bright screen. Quality is good. The buttons are too clicky. You can like hear them. You get like and touch sensitivity mode where you can like use gloves. You are using gloves, then yeah, you can use the smartwatch with gloves also. So you can make calls here, like I have done here calls. You can access your contacts. Let me just dim my screen, it's too bright. If anyone have a question like if the Google Maps work only on Wi-Fi, no, it's also work with Bluetooth. So that's good because you have built-in GPS in the watch. Speaker quality is also good. This is at max volume, and if you are asking like how to I control the volume, then you just slide here on the bezel. Yeah, you see, it's pretty cool, right? Yeah. If you want to go home, you just press the red key, like it's have the red accent, so that key. It's home. If you want to go back, it's the back key. You also can have all your messages here, just like I have here. You see, and I can click one, it's load, and I can just reply from here or type my own reply uh, from here. Now let's talk about the cons. So like when the first girl got the watch, like the first overall user experience is not better, like not good. When I first got the watch and I charged with an Oppo charger, like not the Oppo smartwatch charger, I got uh, a charge with the like same wireless charger that the company gave me, but the adapter was Oppo ones, and it didn't go well. Like seriously, the watch says it's overheating and also it's overheated. It was very hot to touch, and so yeah, it's a kind of clunky, not charging well. Like I got 44% in 3 to 4 hours of fast charge. Then I got in Samsung adapter, and then almost like after 2 to 3 hours it got fully charged, and after that it's working like a charm. But the first impression was not good because of this, and you may have will face the same issue because I was asked another guy on Twitter who bought the same watch like a couple of weeks ago, and his experience was also same. So yeah, that's the first user experience I had. And also the battery life on this watch is not good. I unplugged it today at 11 o'clock, I guess, and after that the battery last me like to 9 p.m. at night. So it's I can't even say it like a one day like 24 hours charging cycle, because it drowned like in 10 to 12 10 hours I will say. But I guess that's because I was fiddling with this a lot more. Like it's a watch. I was using GPS. I was using Google Maps. I was using it to control the Spotify and other Bluetooth devices. I also texted, called with this watch for the whole day today. So yeah, maybe this is the reason why like it blew up so early. Wow. So and this has also a lot of like charging time. It takes a lot of time to get fully charged, and maybe around 2 hours to 2.5 hours I will say. Definitely recommend this watch if you want to buy this. But yeah, you can always stay for the full review. I will give it after a week of uses. And this watch is absolutely good, and I also recommend it right now. If you want it, you can go it and check it on Flipkart also. But you have to charge it daily, or it like in two times a day if you want the full experience. For watching the video, I hope you like this video, and I will and wait, please wait for the review. I will upload the review on my channel very soon.